chicken meatball in curried coconut sauce. Hello and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I am Afraz and now I'm going to show you a very unique recipe of chicken meatballs in a flavorful coconut curried sauce. So let's have a quick view on the ingredients to make chicken meatballs in curried coconut sauce. We will require chicken mince, salt, crushed black pepper, garlic chopped, onion, fresh red chili, celery chopped, curry powder, cumin seeds, scraped coconut, milk, white bread slices, coconut milk, chicken stock, oil. So to start off, first we'll make our chicken balls. For that we need to saute our onion, garlic and celery. So pan on. Let's chop onion. So our pan is nice and hot. We'll pour some oil. I will also cut fresh red chili. Oil is nice and hot. We'll add in our chopped onion. I will also add some chopped garlic, chopped celery and freshly chopped red chilies. I will saute this for around 1 to 2 minutes till the onions are nice and translucent and also the raw flavors of garlic and chilies goes. Now to the chicken mince, I will add some seasoning, salt, some crushed black pepper. Now after sauteing our onions and garlic for around 2 minutes, I will shut the gas and add this to our chicken mince. Give it a nice mix. Now one more thing which we need to add is some fresh bread slices, which I'm going to soak in some milk and add into our meatball mixture. First off, I'll cut the edges, put them in a bowl, pour some milk so that our bread soften. Once the bread has absorbed all the milk and it has become soft, we'll add this to our chicken mince mixture. This really gives a very nice binding and it also keeps the meatballs nice and soft from inside after when it is cooked. So we'll mix this nicely with our chicken mince. And now I will start making our chicken meatballs. Now I have shaped all the mixture into small meatballs. Now I have already kept a pan to fry them and I'll pour some oil, a good quantity of oil. And now slowly we'll place our meatballs on the pan. Flip this once it is cooked from one side. Shake the pan so that it doesn't stick and gets cooked evenly. Now as you can see, they've got a nice color from all the sides and the chicken doesn't take much time to cook. We'll take this out on an absorbent paper. Now to make the sauce, I'll use the same oil as it has infused with the chicken and the flavor which we'll get in our sauce too. So some oil from the same pan. Once our oil is nice and hot, I'll add some cumin seeds, some curry powder, roast this on a low heat, some fresh ginger which I've sliced, and now I'll add my chicken stock. Lovely aroma as I can smell. Now I'll add my coconut milk. Now I'll add some seasoning, some salt. The coconut milk makes the sauce very rich, but at the same time it is not heavy. As you can see, nice and light, and when the meatball will go in, it will give a very nice flavor to the dish, and you will love to eat it with rice or any choice of your bread. So now it's time to add our chicken meatballs. So slowly we'll add one by one. Give it a nice stir. So now I will cook this for around 2 minutes after adding the meatballs, so that they soak some of the coconut milk and the flavored curry powder and gives a very nice flavor. So now it has come to a boil and it is ready. I'll shut the flame and take this into our serving platter. First, some nice sauce. And now on the top, some freshly scraped coconut. On the meatball. So here it is, our chicken meatball in curried coconut sauce is ready. A great dish to make it at your home and get that feel of coastal region. I hope you enjoy.